All right, well, the video cut off, but what I said here was that we still need to count 5 waves to complete wave 5. So here you have a clear wave 1 here. Wave 1 followed by wave 2. And then we could project a wave 3 move by simply taking this tool, and then it's called the trend base extension tool, and a typical wave 3 move will go 1.618 times the length of wave 1. So I would simply just measure this wave 1 leg, and then I would project it down to the wave 2 leg right here. So projected wave 3 typically is 1.618 times wave 1 added to wave 2 low. So this would be a wave 3 target here. Typically the 1.618 to 200 times. So we get our wave 1. Let me extend this box this way. And then let me fix these fibs. Extend lines right. Okay, there you go. So we'll project the wave 3 is typically 1.618, which would bring us to this area over here. So obviously this has got a ton of room to run. So the idea is that we would get a move, we get a 1-2 wave 3 up here, and then you get a wave 4 pullback. This wave 2 here was obviously pretty sharp and steep. So wave 4 could turn into a triangle. We don't know. It could be a triangle, could be a flat. We don't know. But the idea is that we would get a wave 3 move up into here, followed by a corrective leg, some sort of corrective move. You get some sort of corrective move down here to complete wave 4. And then from here, it should continue on up. So it would essentially look like this if I were to count the subwaves. It would be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And then it would be placed as the minuet scale. So essentially we'd be looking at something like this. And then what I told you guys earlier, it's no different with the subwaves. Each impulse is obviously counted in subwaves. So got our wave 1 here. Let me delete these so they're out of our way. Got our wave 1, 2. And obviously here you get your 5 waves subdivided within here. So here we obviously have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of a smaller degree. And then here we have a clear 1, 2, 1, 2. Could be a 3 up here, pull back into demand here, 4. And then we should get another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remember, impulses are always labeled with numbers. Corrective moves are always labeled with letters. So in terms of my plan for the week in this stock, what I labeled here, we obviously have a clear 1 here, a clear 2, and we now have a target of up in this area right here. Right, that'd be our wave 3 target, or the projective wave 3 measured move target. Here we have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like a 1 here. 2, and I'm also seeing a weekly buy zone in this region as well, which can present a nice buy opportunity. This is a drop base rally. So this could be a buy opportunity in this area. So So any pullback into here could be a potential buy opportunity for continuation up. Pretty strong trend here. This thing's trading pretty clean. 1, 2. So yeah, this is how I count subwaves. They work on all time frames. I think that this pivot high and low indicator is super helpful. You obviously want to do an accurate count by zooming out, but I just wanted to show you guys from a zoomed out view. We have our clear levels here and wave counts, just based off using this indicator and how to do an accurate count. Got our waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the idea is whenever we do complete this sequence of 5 here, we would get an even larger term corrective move to follow, which could take its... So let's say that we do put in a high up over here. Any corrective move is going to take it down in this prior wave 4 of a lesser degree area. So you will most likely be looking at a corrective move to take Bitcoin down somewhere back here. Whoa. Whoa, TradingView has lost it. We would get a corrective move back down in this prior wave 4 of a lesser degree area. So these would all comprise to form a wave 1 of a larger degree, and then we would get our pullback for 2 sometime whenever that decides to complete the 5-way structure, and then the impulse lives on, and then basically explosion. So I hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, shoot me an email. And happy holidays. I think you guys are going to enjoy this one. So